Auzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Atiullah atiur rasul ulullah minkum. And today I would like to discuss about the forget and remember. Remember means love. Love means love to Allah. Forget means and to forget Allah. Okay. So whatever and our because of course you know about our human body. Your human body is two kinds of and internal and physical. Whatever physical comes from or consists of the clay, soil or dust, and soul means spirit made of the zikr of Allah, the light of divine light. Of course you know, that's why there are two kinds of character. It consists of human body, and there is no any creation of Allah.